Hi guys, it's Tracy and I am back with our favorite video of the month. It's the Boxycharm box and I actually got it early because I wasn't expecting it. I was thinking, oh, it'd be great if it come on Friday on my birthday, but it came Saturday, so close enough. So today's Sunday. I did just film the weekly beauty deals and that'll be probably going up first actually. And this will go up next. On my eyes today, I have the Cosmetics Oasis palette in the crease and then underneath. And then I have on one of these Tarte chrome paints. This is a swatch and it is in the shade Park Avenue Princess. And on my lips, I have the Maybelline Shine Compulsion in 065 Spicy Mauve. So I've cracked the seal here and we will open it up together. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription service where you will receive 4 to 5 full-size items every month for $21. I do have a code. It is, I think it gives you an extra item, like a free item when you sign up using my code. And then I'm not exactly sure what I get, if it's charms to spend in their charm room. I've never seen anything in there I want. So a while back it was you could get a free item if someone uses your code, but I'm not even sure if that still applies. But I just wanted you to know, if you do sign up, I will get something, points or charms or something, and you'll get a free item. But if you don't want to use it, just go to boxycharm.com and sign up and you will get a box like this every single month. So here's what it's looking like. Take out the card here, and this month the theme is Afterglow. So it always comes really nicely packaged. You always got, you know, things protecting it. I've never had a palette come broken or anything like that, so I've been really happy with the box. Even if it includes items that I don't want, I can always pass them on and find somebody that will want it. So I love getting it. I love being surprised. So I do know what a few of the things are already because I did see spoilers, but let's see what else is in the box. So the first thing up, we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And this is $24. So this is a lot of people's favorite holy grail. So it says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than the Sex mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets volume while film-forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. So I have not tried this one before. I have only tried the L'Oreal one that's supposed to be a dupe, so I will be interested to try that out and I will let you guys know what I think. And then next up we have an item from Pretty Vulgar, and this is their Bronzed Bee Bronzer. It says this vegan matte bronzing powder gives you your skin a natural, radiant looking finish. Enriched with ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments, this bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. And this is $32. So it's just called Bronze Bee. That's what it looks like. Let's give it a little swatch. Almost looks kind of cool toned, so it looks nice. The color is a nice match, or you know, could be nice. So I will be excited to give this a try, and I will be back next month to give you my review. And I do have my January review coming up as well. It's been like a little hectic having my knee surgery, so yeah, I'm still recovering from that. It's still really painful and really swollen, so yeah. So I'm trying to get as many videos that I can done so that I can have content up. Next up, we have the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer. This is $18, and I've never tried this before either, and I know this is a lot of people love this. So it says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So $18. Next up here we have something again from Sol de Janeiro, and this is their Coco Cabana cream. And a child is trying to open my door. Gonna be in my video. Come on. That would be my daughter Taylor. So this is called their Coco Cabana cream, and this size is $20, and it says Sol de Janeiro's Coco Cabana cream instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Its oil in water gel helps texture cream, gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. Deliciously scented with the Cheirosa 39 fragrance with mouthwatering notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. So this is bigger than the last size we got of the Bum Bum cream. So let's give it a little smell. Oh yeah, it smells so good. It is like a gel. It's really nice. Ooh, I like the smell. If you are sensitive to smells, you may not like this. If you don't like coconut, you're probably not going to like this, but I happen to love coconut, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to enjoy this. And then the last product up, we have Nudestix. Oh, okay, Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. It says it's a super long-wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all-day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. And this is $24. Let's see if we can get this open. And I forgot to bring my phone in here so I could tabulate the value of the box. I hate these little strippy things that you gotta undo. So let's see if it says what color this is. Copper foil. So it's just a almost matches Park Avenue Princess, doesn't it? Wow. Wow, this is a little bit darker. It's really smooth and creamy, so I'll be interested to give that a try. I've never tried anything by this brand either, so I would say this month's box was a pretty good box. So let's see, we had 24, that's, let's see, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, $108 value, I believe, if I did my math correctly. So it was a nice box. I think I will get use out of all of these items. I don't see anything right off the bat that I'm going to declutter, so that is a good thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.